Welcome to this video on Math in the Modern World. Today we will explore the fascinating mathematical patterns found throughout nature. While nature may appear chaotic, it is governed by an underlying mathematical order. Investigating these patterns allows us to better understand the world around us. Natural patterns can be categorized into 5 pillars: visual patterns, flow, movement, rhythm, and geometric patterns. Each plays a role in how the natural world functions. Fractals allow plants to branch infinitely within a finite space, maximizing surface area for sunlight. Meanwhile, geometric patterns provide structural integrity and spatial efficiency. Time and space are also governed by math. Biological rhythms, like a heartbeat, and the physical flow of liquids and rivers, both rely on strict mathematical principles. Energy in motion creates patterns, such as waves in sand dunes. These are not solid objects, but records of energy traveling through a medium. Animal prints, such as those on a zebra or giraffe, are the result of reaction-diffusion systems. Specific chemical interactions during development determine these unique designs. Spirals are a mathematical solution for continuous growth without changing shape. This curve is found everywhere, from microscopic cells to massive galaxies. Symmetry acts as a mathematical signature in nature, providing the balance required to hold complex, organic designs together. We can identify 4 key architectures of symmetry: reflection, rotation, translation, and bilateral symmetry. Each describes a different way nature organizes its forms. The Fibonacci sequence is famously present in the number of petals on flowers, a mathematical arrangement that ensures maximum exposure to sunlight. Mathematics is more than an academic pursuit. Understanding the source code of nature is essential for the survival and progress of the human species. The 4 pillars of applied mathematics — predict, manage, control, and organize — allow us to navigate complex systems like weather and social climates. By mastering these codes, we turn chaos into a predictable environment, making mathematics an indispensable tool for understanding our world. Thank you for watching this video on the mathematics of nature.